Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting tutorial. I'm Dami of 𝐓𝐻𝐂𝐇. Today we'll be learning how to cut and make a cathedral length veil, wedding veil. So if this is what you are looking at to learn, please stay to the end of the tutorial. If you are joining us for the first time, thank you for joining us today. If you are here to subscribe, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime we have a new tutorial. For our returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. If you'd like to join my WhatsApp group, the link will be in the description box. Thank you for joining us, and let's get started. Alright, so for the making of the cathedral veil, we'll be needing this veil net. It's by 120, the wideness is by 120, so you'll be needing like 4 to 5 yards. Here I used 4 yards of it. So first thing we're going to be doing is to be folding it into two. That's 2 yards on each side. So if you are using 5 yards, you have 2.5 on each side. Then you are going to fold it again, borderline to borderline. So this is what it will look like after folding. So we have 4 open edges here, the borderline, the 4 borderlines that were folded together. So we have it here, and the other side is folded. So on this borderline side now, I'm going to be stepping from the edge. You are trying to make the curve for the front, not to be straight. So step down by 20 inches. Then you're just going to make a slight curve to the other side of the folded edge like this. So once you are done marking out the curve now, you go ahead to trim off all the selvage edges we have here. So you just go ahead and trim them off, and also you follow the curve line we made to the other side. So just go ahead to cut it. So the curve part is the part that is going to the front of the veil. Don't forget, in a veil, the front is always shorter than the back. So this is what it looks like before the embellishment. So you can just, once you are done cutting like this, you can just go ahead and embellish it with whatever embellishment. It can be pearl bead, it can be lace edges, it can be anything. But for my own, I'll be using lace edges for the embellishment. So I'll be using these chantilly edges. I think I got it for 4,000 naira for one, and in one we have 3.5 yards. So in that 3.5 yards, by the time you separate it, you have 7 yards. So I got 2 of this for the embellishments of the edges of the net. So this is what I'll be using. I separated them using my soldering iron, so I'll cut off all the rough edges. So this is the result I got after fixing the chantilly edges on the veil net. I do not remember to record the process while attach it using fabric glue. So this is what the cathedral net is looking like. I hope you're able to learn something new in our class today. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified, and also like the video, comment, and also share the video. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next class.